Have you ever wondered why, in a quiet moment, you find a strange sort of satisfaction in the scent of your own flatulence? It's a question we rarely ask out loud. In fact, it's one of society's great unspoken truths. Someone else's fart can clear a room, send people running for the nearest open window, elicit groans of disgust. Yet when it comes to our own, there's a certain familiarity. A strange, almost comforting recognition. This isn't just a weird quirk you have. It's a deeply human phenomenon that has fascinated me for the better part of my 60-year career in science. We are, in essence, connoisseurs of our own personal emissions. My journey into this peculiar field of study began not in a high-tech laboratory, but with simple observation of human behavior. People wrinkle their noses at the mere mention of a fart, yet they will subtly, almost instinctively, sample their own. This contradiction is where the science gets really interesting. It's a hilarious and deeply profound aspect of being human. We are programmed to react with disgust to potential pathogens from others, but we are also wired for self-acceptance. This biological programming is at the core of our secret enjoyment. It's a private little moment of self-assessment, a quick check-in with our own internal ecosystem, all wrapped up in a cloud of gas. So, what makes your farts so uniquely yours? The answer lies in your gut microbiome. Imagine a bustling city inside your digestive tract, populated by trillions of bacteria. This microscopic metropolis is as unique as your fingerprint. These bacteria help you break down food that your body can't digest on its own, and in the process they produce a variety of gases. The primary components are odorless gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane. The scent, that signature aroma, comes from tiny amounts of sulfur-containing compounds like hydrogen sulfide, which smells like rotten eggs. Your personal blend of these compounds is determined by your diet and by your specific bacterial population. This unique bacterial signature means no one else produces gas that smells exactly like yours. Your immune system recognizes self versus other. It's a defense mechanism. The scent of another person's waste, including flatulence, is registered by your brain as a potential foreign threat, a warning sign of unfamiliar bacteria and possible disease. Your own scent, however, is familiar. Your brain and immune system have catalogued it your entire life. It doesn't trigger the same alarm bells because it's you. Now, let's move from biology to the fascinating world of psychology. Why do we not just tolerate our own farts, but secretly find them interesting? A big part of the answer is control and predictability. When you are the source of the fart, you are in complete control. You know it's coming. You might even know what you ate to cause it. This element of control removes the shock and disgust factor. An unexpected fart from someone else is a sudden, unpleasant assault on your senses, but your own? It's an event you can anticipate and even manage. This sense of ownership makes all the difference. This connects to a broader psychological principle. We humans are drawn to things we create. Studies have shown people value products they partially assembled themselves, like a bookshelf from a flat-pack box. We love our own creations, a wobbly piece of furniture, a child's drawing, even a bodily emission. It's a product of our own system. This sense of creation fosters a connection. A small "I made this" moment adds to acceptance. There's a powerful element of self-acceptance at play. Our bodies are messy, noisy, and sometimes smelly. Our modern embarrassment around flatulence is, historically speaking, a relatively new development. For much of human history, farting was just a part of life, sometimes even a source of entertainment or medical diagnosis. In ancient Rome, the Emperor Claudius was reportedly so concerned about the health effects of holding in gas that he planned to pass a law making it acceptable to break wind at the dinner table. He believed it was unhealthy to suppress a natural bodily function, a view shared by the famous physician Hippocrates, who declared passing gas is necessary to well-being. They understood it was simply a sign of a working digestive system. In medieval Europe, the court jester played a unique role, and some jesters were famous for their ability to fart on command. One of the most famous was Roland the Farter, who served King Henry II of England in the 12th century. His sole duty was to perform one jump, one whistle, one fart every year for the king's Christmas court entertainment. For this service, he was granted a manor and over 30 acres of land. This wasn't seen as disgusting, but as a rare and hilarious talent. It was performance art, a world away from our modern-day hush-hush attitude. So, we've journeyed through biology, psychology, history to answer our peculiar question. We've learned that our farts are a unique biological signature, a brand of scent our brain recognizes as self, not threat. We've seen how the psychology of control and the IKEA effect make us more accepting of our own creations. And we've discovered that our modern-day shame is a relatively recent invention, a departure from centuries of a more open, funnier relationship with our bodies. Our secret fascination with our own farts isn't weird. It's a beautiful convergence of all these factors. It's a testament to our complex nature. This all leads to a surprising and wonderful conclusion. Our subtle appreciation for our own flatulence is a microscopic example of one of humanity's greatest survival tools, self-acceptance. To navigate the world, we must first be at peace with ourselves, in all our messy glory. To accept our own scent is, at a basic level, to accept our own existence. It is a primal confirmation that says, I am here, I am functioning, I am alive. It's an act of self-love, even if it's one we'd never admit to at a dinner party. It's science, after all, and science is cool.